back to my channel. How you guys doing? My name is Shelimar Williams. On this channel, we do products review, makeup tutorial, and wear test. If you are interested in any type of video like this, make sure you subscribe and share these videos. In today's video, we're gonna do something totally different. I'm about to do a face cleanse before I do my makeup. Normally, I just go straight into the product review, but today, there's two products that I would like to try out in my skincare routine. The first one is the Wishful, and this is a white detox, and that's what it looks like. And I got this in a sample kit from Huda's Beauty, and it's a detox, and basically what it does, it says it reduces fine lines and pores. It also very gentle on the skin. It's a scrub. So if you already know that I do have acne prone skin, so I am not about to do my regular cleanse. I'm only gonna do the detox and just go straight in and moisturize and do my makeup. Now this product, the entire or the full size bottle retails at $38 at Sephora. It says just to put a little in your hands and to gently rub it all over in circular motion. So that's what I'm gonna do. And then of course you will use some warm water to rinse off your skin. And also it reduces your pores. So if you have pores issues right around here, it is said to reduce that. It also hydrates the skin and give it the skin a smooth finish. And that is what you're trying to achieve whenever you're about to put on your makeup. You want to make sure the skin is prepped and ready. Make sure your skin is cleansed. So I already cleansed my skin with this Dr. Gross cleanser that I talked about in another video, which I will link definitely here. I already use this to wash my skin. And again, this also has pore perfecting cleansing gel in it also. So it's all about cleaning out the pores and make sure the pores are really smaller than they appears to be. So let's do that. So my skin is already cleansed and dry. That is the direction. So I'm gonna open this little package here and I'm gonna go ahead and put this detox on my skin. Now I did see a lot of people online using this detox scrub and there seems to be having a blast using it. So let's see. And it's supposed to ball up. They say when you're seeing it balling up, you're removing dead skin. So it is very dark. It's like a charcoal consistency. So that's what it looks like. So circular motion. And as you can see, it's really balling up. It's a little messy. It's a little messy. If this product is also from the Dead Sea. I like to use the Dead Sea products on my skin. Also the directions say to take it down your neck, but I'm not going to do that because I do have eczema on my neck and I do use a product for that. So I am not about to remove my medication at all. All right, so that's all you have to do. And the little packet that I got is completely done. So I'm gonna go in and rinse it off with some warm water. All right, now that that is done, I do see the hydration. If you see my skin, you see where the water is like sitting in a circular motion? That tell you, whenever you see that, whenever you use any product, that means it hydrates your skin. So what we're gonna do now is to pat that. Do not wipe your face, pat it. How does that look? Yeah, looks good. All right, so the next thing that I'm gonna try is another product from Wishful, and this video is in no shape and form sponsored yet. But this is from Wishful, and this is a simple, gentle, simple, and effective. And this product is a honey balm. It's set to visible smaller pores, also hydrates and instantly smooth. So both products does merely the same thing, which is really good. So again, whenever you're trying to put on makeup or apply makeup, your goal is to get your skin prepped and nice, right? So with this product, it also comes in a sample packet. Not sure what this retails for. And you just have to open it up from the top. Oh, there's a lot in there. So that's the amount of products in there. I think you can get a lot. If you do have more of this, I think it works well with this. Now, this sets to put a small amount into your hands, which that's gonna be it for me. And I will just keep these in a Ziploc bag. And it says apply and massage onto your skin until it's been dissolved. So that is what we're gonna do. We're gonna massage this in the skin until it's completely dissolved. Ooh. All right, so as you can see, and you may be wondering, I do have oily skin, right? So why am I using products that hydrate my skin? Although you have oily skin, you do need products that hydrate the skin, period. Because the foundation that I'll be trying today also, I don't think it hydrates the skin. And the primer I will be using is gonna be a little on the matte side. Now, if you see, I did not apply anything on the eye area because I use this product on the eyes. There you go, if I can get it in. There you go. All right, so I will apply this. Now you have to be careful with this skin right around this area. It is the most tender or delicate part of your face. And I normally talk about this. And that's all I'll do. And I'll just go ahead and just start pat and lift. I'll also put it up here. And I'll take my skin this direction because I have hooded eyes. So I'm trying to not let it get worse, basically. Pat and lift, pat and lift. All right, so that's there, and trust me, everybody talk about that eye cream. Now, of course, gonna take care of these crusty lips. And this is all in preparation before you apply any makeup. Whether you use these products or not, you have to prep the skin. It's like priming the wall, right? Now there's one last product that I use. Because none of these products that I just use to do my skincare has SPF in there. You guys already know how important SPF is. So my go-to product with SPF is Olay, and this has SPF 15 in it, but there's some other things that has SPF in it also, so sort of balances it out. So this, I'm just gonna pat it in the skin. And again, this is also a moisturizer, but the main ingredients that I need from this is the SPF. And by doing this, you are actually waking your skin up, the blood vessels, and circulating the blood in the meantime. I'm sure you could be a little more gentle than I am, but I have to go. All right, so with the skin prep and ready for makeup, let's go do makeup.